Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's Sunday, April 29th, and I have a honey super I want to add to the hive. So I thought I'd document this. It looked pretty crowded in there, and if there's going to be a lot of big nectar flow, I don't know where they would put the extra honey, and then they would become honey bound. I did not see any queen cups or queen cells when I looked in the hive. But I've got this honey super, so I might as well add it. But I did want to change. There is an entrance located on the inner cover. Actually, not on the inner cover, but the ventilation cover that I have on top of the inner cover. So I bought this shim that has an entrance. That way you don't have to constantly drill holes in your boxes like I did on one of them. So I want to get in here real quick because I've already been in the hive this week, and then I also did the third oxalic acid treatment. So it's a little cool today and breezy. I think we're supposed to get some rain tomorrow, so get in the hive today. Definitely feel like I better use some smoke and have my veil on. But that's the plan. I'm not going to do any checkerboarding or anything. I just want to see if maybe the overcrowding, and they're smart enough to go ahead and go in to the extra space here, the new space, the honey super. So I don't want to move any brood around. They're still working on the fondant and the pollen patty. Make sure the queen isn't underneath here. Oop, forgot. Just realized I had grabbed the wrong frames. I had the frames for the deep. These are 6 5/8. Oh, there's that shim there. That's going to be... They're going to put bridge comb. I don't know if I can have that shim there or not. Yeah, what about that extra space there? If that's what these shims are for, what about that extra space it creates? That's not good. I'm going to take that shim out. Let them adjust to the opening being 6 inches above. Not sure how you're supposed to use that shim then. So hopefully they'll move into all this extra space, fill it up with honey, put the top cover back on with the fondant and the pollen. Gives them a reason, I guess, to come up through these new frames. Missed it by this much. Gonna have to get a new strap. So it looks like they've adjusted quick enough. Found the new opening. So this is New England Gardening, and today is Sunday, April 30th. I think I said the 29th earlier. It's the last day of April. Adding a honey super onto the hive. If you found this video interesting, please like, subscribe, and/or comment, and thanks for watching.